Hey guys, today I'm making a New York style baked cheesecake. Crush your biscuits and add them into a bowl. Then add in the melted butter and mix it together till it resembles wet sand. Add the biscuit crumbs into a greased 20 cm springform pan. Spread it out along the bottom and up the sides of the pan. Use a glass to help compact the biscuit crumbs. Then refrigerate while we make the filling. Add your cream cheese into a bowl and beat till smooth. Then add in the sugar and mix it in well. Add in the flour, vanilla, lemon zest, and lemon juice, and mix well. Add in your eggs one at a time and beat well after each addition. And the reason I have 4 small yolks is because my eggs were double yolk. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl whenever necessary. Add in the sour cream. And mix it in well. Transfer the filling into the biscuit base. Then bake at 150 degrees for 50 minutes. Switch off the oven, prop the door open and allow it to cool for 2 hours. Then remove it from the oven and refrigerate for 3 hours. And it's ready to serve. Serve with your choice of fruit preserve or as is. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!